So guys, how to make RGB color effect in OpenShot? It's really simple. We have our sample project on. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, Views, then Advanced View. Bring the sample video to the timeline. Move the playhead to the start of the clip at the first frame. Then go to right side. From the effect section, search for color shift. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now click on the small icon. From the properties section, just change the RGB value. Like suppose red 0.02, green 0.06, blue 0.09. See, it's totally up to you. And if you want to gradually apply the RGB effect, reset everything, right click, remove keyframe. The duration you want to reveal your RGB effect, suppose 1 second, then just change the value. And we are done. Let's play it. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.